Are your Facebook ads feeling like throwing money into a black hole? Integrating a Facebook pixel into your Kvcore blog is the secret weapon you need to start tracking your website visitors and converting them into paying clients. Let's dive in. First, log into your Facebook Ads Manager. Click on the three lines in the top left corner and navigate to Events Manager. If you don't already have a pixel set up, you will need to create a new pixel. Follow the prompts to name your pixel and claim your domain. Select Install Code manually. This will give you the base code for your pixel. Copy the entire pixel code to your clipboard. Now, head over to your Kvcore platform and on the left-hand side menu, scroll down and click on Web IDX. Once you are on the Web IDX page, find and click the Edit Settings button. Scroll down until you find the Custom Header section. This is where you'll paste the Facebook pixel code you copied earlier. Paste the code into the custom header box. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Settings button and you're done. To verify that your pixel is working correctly, install the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Visit your Kvcore blog and the Pixel Helper should light up, indicating that the pixel is tracking visitors. Now you can start retargeting those visitors with Facebook ads that are tailored to their interests.